Mr. and Madam Chair, to respond towards the opening and government and opening opposition has stated before, the opening opposition saying that the basic human right of the corruptor is exists and we should not neglecting this. But as the closing government, I would like to point out that the human right of the citizen itself is a big impact that we need to look at the first point. And then Mr. and Madam Chair, the opposition side of the house saying that this is not really having any impact on the corruptor and there's no consequences that they've been opposing towards this motion, that the opposition side of the house saying that the government at the end of the day will taking care of the improvised corruptor that turns out to be improvised by this judgment, by this regulation itself. But Mr. and Madam Chair, we as the closing government believe that the opening opposition mishearing the case going on in opening government side, where the opening government side stated that just improvise them as a regular everyday people, then they still can work and still can provide from themselves. And Mr. and Madam Chair, in what happening in the opening opposition side, it's that they are saying that it is good to just having stick to the status quo, which is this regulation where the corruptor is going to jail. And Mr. and Madam Chair, it's between we as the closing government believe that it's between the corruptor and the people well, and however by the status quo that has been happening, the corruption is still happening, however, and not offering quite good solution toward the current status quo that is been lacking in the opening opposition. Mr. and Madam Chair, we as the government side of the house would not sacrifice other well for this one person being. So we believe that this motion should stand, because just by rehabilitation in jail it's not enough, and to set the grid point in the corruptor mind down. And we believe in this case, opening opposition has failed their delivery. Mr. and Madam Chair goes to the point of opening government, which they are failed to create a deterrent effect towards the corruptor itself, which to impoverish is failed to, and which in clash of that, the opposing opposition saying that they are failed to locate the amount of money. And yes, Mr. and Madam Chair, we as the closing government here to bring out why this is creating a good impact to make a deterrent effect towards the corruptor itself. Mr. and Madam Chair, that will be extended in my speech later. Mr. and Madam Chair, but improvising corruptors by mean we would like to take all the corruptor base of corruption money and even more than what he corrupted. The goal in this case, we propose to creating a deterrent effect of the corruptor. The mechanism of how would we impoverish the corruptor itself is by impoverishing corruptor and giving them a social penalty, which they will not be able to become the representative or sit in a government chair ever again. Mr. and Madam Chair, we as the government side of the house believe that this is creating a deterrent effect and is way more effective, because they are become impoverished and also not having the right to go into the government chair ever again. Mr. and Madam Chair, the character of this debate, the corruptor need to know how bad the impact of doing corruption and what will happen towards them, and they are consideration of if what they want to do the corruption. We believe it will prevent the corruption to happen again in the future, because it will having an impact towards them, towards their career, and also having a big impact towards their family. Mr. and Madam Chair, goes to my argument, which is I will explaining about how impoverishing corruptor will prosper the society and creating a deterrent effect towards the character itself. Mr. and Madam Chair, I would like to give out 2 points of why we propose this. As the first one is creating a deterrent effect, which the impact towards their family, their character's family, and their well-being, and we believe they deserve to feel that way, because we believe as a character is a underground person in government chair that eat all of the money that the society, that the people have, that the money is supposed to be for people. So we believing that creating a different effect towards the corruptor itself is such a good thing. In a way, we will give up as a impoverished corruptor, and the second one to giving them a social penalty which they are not being able to become the representative or sit in government chair. And the second point is we will not sacrifice. We will as a government sacrifice one people, a character, prosperity, well-being, and joy for the sake of people. Mr. and Madam Chair, we believe in people, and we believe that as what the opening opposition has stated, they gain what they deserve, they gain what they did. Mr. and Madam Chair, as a corruptor, they deserve to having a bad punishment as what they did to the society itself. Our people is full of hunger, and some of them impoverished, just and not wealthy enough, but this person is having wealth and joy. So as government side of the house, we believe this motion should stand, because we would like to sacrifice one people, one bad people, that it won't hurt anyone. Besides, we want to creating that this money that has been corrupted is for the people's sake itself. So, Mr. and Madam Chair, I believe that this motion should stand because we totally against corruption. Thank you.